Hey everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's a good time to laugh, whether it's daytime, break time, evening time, night time. I'm in the beautiful Positivity Center in Ashton Lane, where we're going to start laughter yoga on the Sunday, the 24th. There's the leaflet. Sunday the 24th, 7 till 8 o'clock. Do you like my umbrella? My umbrella hat, just in case it rains. It's cute, isn't it? Anyway, laughter yoga. Hi Paula. Do you like my hat? Right, everything's about laughter at the moment. I'm on the rocking horse. So I'm rocking backwards and forwards on Willow's rocking horse. There's its head. And I'm going to do some laughter yoga for you guys, and then I'm going to put it on the watch party. So if you want to have a ball, laugh with me. Okay, so why is it called laughter yoga? Right, let's go and sit somewhere where it's more comfortable. I'm going to put the camera down so I can relax and explain to you what I need to explain. Right, let's put it there. If you come to Nashton Lane, there you go, Positivity Center, there you go. Beautiful crystal that I'm holding here. It's just stunning, this place. And this is outside. There's a lovely little crystal area. You should come, Paula. Anyway, this is to everyone everywhere in the world. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling sad, hi! Laughter. Say hello. Hi, Summer. We're doing laughter yoga. Laughter yoga. I'll tell you later. I'm on Facebook. Laughter yoga. Okay, so it's called laughter yoga, as I say, because you're using your breath. Look at me, I'm so silly. Do you know what? Laughing gives me energy. It's really good for energy. When I came here, I felt like I was going to pass out, the air and everything. And then I start to laugh. Guess what happens? Oxygen. When you laugh, it's like singing. You're opening up the lungs. Everything's opening up. So let's do some laughter, okay? So let's do some breathing. Do some breathing with me, Paula Brown. All the way to the sky. All the way down. Now this time we're going to burst out laughing when we let go. So deep breath in and and again. All the way up and okay, very good, very good, yay! Very good, yay! Very good, yay! You know, everywhere around the world where they do laughter yoga, they do exactly the same thing. The very good, yay! Very good, yeah, me. Very good, yay! Because when you're opening the heart, you're opening the heart. You're opening the heart and all the oxygen is coming in. The other thing we do in laughter yoga is we clap, right? And not just to warm our hands up and to show appreciation, but because there are nerve endings and acupressure points. Paula, if you do laughter yoga, you will start to feel that the pain will start to let go. It will come out of your body because you're putting in oxygen all the time and you're releasing endorphins. I know that you have pain and I have pain, but it's like singing. When you're opening the lungs, you're releasing the pain. Because the pain, your heart's open, your body's open, the blood can circulate, the endorphins can go all over the body, okay? Right, now, so let's do some clapping exercises. Again, all over the world. It started in India by a doctor called Madame Kataria. All over the world, they do the same. So we do ho, 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 ha, ha, ha. 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 And make sure that you do the heels of the hands as well, okay? Ho, 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 ha, ha, ha. Get the kids involved, Paula. Ho, 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 ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ha, ha, ha. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Right, so come to the Positivity Centre on Sunday, 7 till 8 o'clock in Burnham. Bring the kids. I'm doing a special family ticket. It's £15. It doesn't matter if you've got 7 kids, the whole Von Trapp family. It's going to be £15 per family, £10 per person. I'm DBS cleared, and come and have some fun. Right, let's do another exercise, laughter exercise, to keep you going. So we'll do our laughter cream, which is really funny. You get your laughter cream, and it's going to make a lot of noise when you get the cream out. So right, now we've got lots of laughter cream. We're going to start putting it on the body. So you're putting it on your arm. On your face, and your neck, and your back, and your legs. You're the suntan lotion. Well, this is laughter cream. Yeah. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Now, in order to ground ourselves so that we don't go through the roof, hyper, we'll do some breathing. So, breathe in. Sorry, something just come up. And now we're going to do like a tight, like a qigong, where we bring the breath and then we let go. Breathe in. Let go. Breathe in. That way you bring yourself back into balance. Another breathing exercise to keep you balanced is imagine you've got a beautiful cake and there's lots of candles. So take a deep breath in and blow out the candles one by one. And they come back up again because they're those kind of candles that relight themselves. Deep breath in. And they're up again. Breathe in. And this time really blow them out. That's it. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Very good, yeah. Isocel. I'm doing laughter on Facebook live for the whole world to see. Anyway, that's laughter yoga for today. I'll put it on a watch party so you'll be able to see it all over the world. And please send it around and share. There's going to be a laughter club popping up all over the place. Bucks and Barks and Middlesex, all over the place. Starting here at Nashton Lane in Burnham on Sunday. Positivity Centre, 7 till 8. Bring the kids. Looking forward to seeing you. I've got more silly hats like this. I've got my Joker hat, which the person with the funniest laugh gets to wear. And I've got a cone hat. I've got lots of bunny ears. So bring whatever you want. Bring silly hats and bring scarves, funny scarves. Bring feather dusters. They're quite funny, aren't they? Feather dusters. Anyway, namaste everyone. Have a beautiful day. I'm going to put this out now on YouTube because I've got a wonderful app called Facebook Friendly where you can transfer straight away to YouTube, and then I will be sending it around on a watch party. Love you lots. Have a beautiful day. Share and be happy and just laugh. Bye. We'll do kisses laughter. There you go. Always remember to breathe and bring yourself back to balance, grounded. I mean, quite honestly, try and sit on the grass or on the ground as well a lot, because we need to be grounded. Feel the the earth under your hands and your feet. Feel like roots coming out of your hands and coming out of your feet, connecting you to Mother Earth, to the ground. And then you'll feel more stable. And drink lots of water and have sea salt baths to counteract any of the things that we don't want to talk about on here but we know are going on. Have sea salt baths. Epsom salts are very good to clear your body, your mind, your body and your spirit. And don't have too much sugar because that won't help. That will kind of drain your energy. Right, love you lots. Bye.